Depending on your line of work, a numeric keypad can be more than just a convenience. It can be an essential productivity tool. Unfortunately, as manufacturers have prioritized thinner and more compact designs, dedicated numeric keypads have disappeared from many modern laptops. Thankfully, they haven't vanished completely. After analyzing dozens of laptops from different brands, we've selected the best laptops with a dedicated numeric keypad. This list covers everything from affordable budget options to powerful gaming laptops and professional workstations, so no matter your budget or workload, there's something here for you. With that said, let's dive into the list. Kicking off our list is the Acer Aspire 5 Slim, a budget option that proves you don't need to spend a fortune to keep that all-important numeric keypad under your fingers. We picked it because it delivers the essentials for everyday number crunching without cutting the ports and comfort you actually need. Under the hood, you're getting a 15.6-inch Full HD display, a generous 20 GB of RAM, and a speedy and spacious 1 TB solid-state drive. The processor is an AMD Ryzen 3 3350U, a 4-core chip that can sufficiently handle spreadsheets, video calls, and streaming smoothly all day long. The backlit keyboard is quiet in use, and its large keys are comfortably sized for extended typing sessions. The dedicated numeric keypad is a welcome addition, though the keys are noticeably smaller than the main keys, a common trade-off on 15-inch chassis. You also get a fingerprint reader for quick logins and an impressive array of ports, including HDMI, Ethernet, and USB-C, so you won't be hunting for dongles. The machine ships with Windows 11 in S mode, a safer version of Windows that only runs apps from the Microsoft Store for extra security, but you're free to switch to full Windows at no cost. This laptop is ideal for students and home office workers who need a reliable, affordable workhorse for data entry, accounting coursework, or managing household finances. Stepping up the ladder, we have the Lenovo ThinkBook 16 Gen 7 ARP, a laptop that takes everything the Acer offers and injects a serious dose of performance. You're now looking at a larger 16-inch WUXGA IPS touchscreen. WUXGA simply means a taller 16:10 aspect ratio, giving you more vertical screen space so you can see more rows in a spreadsheet or more lines in a document without constantly scrolling. Under the hood, it features an 8-core, 16-thread AMD Ryzen 7735HS processor, paired with Radeon 680M graphics. Compared to the Acer's modest 4-core processor, this is a massive jump in both multitasking and overall computing power. It can comfortably handle large Excel workbooks with complex formulas, multiple Office applications running simultaneously, dozens of browser tabs, programming workloads, virtual machines, light photo and video editing, and even some casual gaming on the integrated Radeon 680M graphics. Memory receives a substantial upgrade to 32 GB of the latest DDR5 RAM, giving you plenty of headroom for massive datasets, demanding business applications, and heavy multitasking without slowing down. Storage doubles to a spacious 2 TB SSD, providing ample room for large projects and years of files. The backlit keyboard is another strong point. With 1.5 mm of key travel, it offers a satisfyingly deep and tactile response that feels more premium than the shallow, soft feel found on many competitors. The typing experience is quiet, with decent feedback that makes long sessions comfortable. Thanks to the 16-inch chassis, the dedicated numeric keypad feels spacious and uncramped. No smaller keys here, making it a true asset for spreadsheet work. You also retain a fingerprint reader for quick and secure logins. This is the ideal laptop for accountants, financial analysts, engineers, programmers, and other professionals who work with large spreadsheets, databases, multiple business applications, or even virtual machines. It delivers workstation-level productivity without the bulk and price tag of a true mobile workstation. Now, what if you want all that screen real estate and a full numeric keypad in a body that's incredibly easy to carry? That's where the LG Gram Pro 17 rewrites the rules. It retains the indispensable number pad of a 17-inch laptop, yet weighs barely more than a typical 13-inch Ultrabook at around 3 pounds or 1.36 kilograms, so you can almost forget it's in your bag. The display expands to a gorgeous 17-inch 2560 by 1600 panel, giving you a huge, sharp workspace that's perfect for large spreadsheets, multiple documents, and side-by-side multitasking. Inside, it features an Intel Core Ultra 7 155H processor with a dedicated NPU neural processing unit that accelerates AI features like real-time background blur, live transcription, and image processing without draining the battery. The Core Ultra 7 155H is also powerful enough to handle demanding productivity workloads, such as massive Excel spreadsheets, financial modeling, coding, programming, database management, light 4K video editing, photo editing, CAD work, and heavy multitasking with dozens of applications running simultaneously without slowing down.
The Island-style keyboard features large 16 by 16 mm keys, spaced 2 mm apart for accurate, fast typing. It's backlit for dark rooms and has a clicky, satisfying tactile feedback, though key travel is necessarily shallow at just 1 mm due to the extreme thinness of the chassis. This laptop is ideal for professionals who want a spacious numeric keypad layout without carrying a heavy workstation. Next up is the Samsung Galaxy Book 5 Pro 360. This is convertible productivity with serious power. Up front, you're getting a full-sized, comfortable backlit keyboard, a stunning 16-inch 3K AMOLED display, a 120Hz refresh rate, and an anti-glare coating, which brings the clarity and smoothness of the Samsung flagship phone displays into a laptop. Inside, it features the Intel Core Ultra 7 256V processor with Intel Arc 140V integrated graphics and a dedicated NPU. The Core Ultra 7 256V is powerful enough to handle demanding productivity workloads, including large Excel workbooks, financial modeling, programming, database management, light 4K video editing, photo editing, and heavy multitasking with dozens of applications running simultaneously. The fast 1 TB of SSD provides plenty of storage, and the entire laptop weighs just 3.7 pounds, or 1.6 kilograms, making it easy to carry throughout the day. What makes the Galaxy Book even more appealing is its seamless integration with the Samsung ecosystem. If you already own a Galaxy phone or tablet, you gain features like multi-control, which lets you use a single keyboard and trackpad across multiple Samsung devices, quick share for smooth file transfers, and the ability to use your Galaxy phone as a high-quality wireless webcam for video calls. The spacious backlit keyboard includes a dedicated numeric pad. However, key travel is shallow with a soft pressure point that may not suit everyone. The touchpad is unusually large, which can leave your left hand cramped into the corner while typing. Overall, the Galaxy Book 5 Pro 360 is the perfect choice for professionals, students, designers, and business users who value flexibility, a premium display, and ecosystem integration while having a dedicated numeric keypad.
Finally, my favorite lineup. If you refuse to compromise on raw power and still demand a physical numeric keypad, the Lenovo Legion 5 comes in as a reliable desktop replacement. This is a gaming powerhouse that also serves as a workstation built around a powerful Intel Core i9-14900HX processor. If you see the HX suffix after an Intel processor, it means you're getting a chip designed to deliver desktop-class performance, and this one is no exception. With 24 cores and 32 threads, paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 laptop GPU, this machine tears through AAA games, 3D rendering, video editing, AI workloads, and massive datasets with ease. This combination also makes it an outstanding choice for software development, virtualization, CAD, engineering simulations, architectural rendering, machine learning, financial modeling, scientific computing, and heavy multitasking without breaking a sweat. The 16-inch WQXGA 2560 by 1600 display runs at a fast 165 Hz, keeping everything incredibly smooth whether you're scrolling through massive spreadsheets, editing a complex timeline, or playing fast-paced competitive games. You also get 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and a terabyte NVMe SSD, providing plenty of memory and storage for demanding professional workloads. Unlike many premium productivity laptops that have abandoned the numeric keypad, the Legion 5 keeps it as a non-negotiable feature while surrounding it with a cooling system capable of sustaining performance that no Ultrabook can match. The Legion TrueStrike keyboard is a standout feature, engineered specifically for both gaming and marathon typing sessions. With a generous 1.5 to 1.6 millimeters of key travel, the keys deliver a deep, solid, and responsive feel that is consistently praised for its comfort and satisfying clicky feedback. The full-size numeric keypad is a non-negotiable feature for productivity, and Lenovo has wisely included extra-large arrow keys, a thoughtful touch that many gaming laptops overlook. You also get Zone RGB backlighting, allowing you to customize the glow to your preference while keeping the keys perfectly visible in any lighting condition. Of course, there's a trade-off. The Legion 5 is noticeably heavier than the other laptops on this list, and under heavy workloads, its battery would not last like those laptops with no dedicated GPU. Under load, its cooling fans can also become quite audible, but that's simply the price of delivering desktop-class performance in a portable form factor. If you need one laptop that can replace both your workstation and your gaming desktop without sacrificing a physical numeric keypad, the Lenovo Legion 5 is one of the best options you can buy. There you have it, our top 5 picks for the best laptops with a numeric keypad in 2026. Whether you're an accountant, engineer, programmer, data analyst, student, or simply someone who works with numbers every day, there's a laptop here to fit your needs and budget. As always, links to every laptop featured in this video are available in the description below, so be sure to check them out for the latest prices and configurations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.